Hey, what's up YouTubers, and welcome to Funkykit. I'm Winston, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 7. The ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 7 is very similar to the Phantom Gaming 9 motherboard, which we reviewed last month. It features the Intel Z390 chipset and supports all of the Intel 8th and 9th generation core processors. This motherboard is ASRock's latest addition to the Phantom Gaming lineup and is targeted at a price range of below $200. At this price, it's one of the best value Z390 motherboard right now on the market in terms of performance, features and price. It supports Intel Optane memory as well as supporting two M.2 connectors for your SSDs. It also comes with 4 DDR DIMM slots supporting memory of up to 4300 MHz OC. One of the main features, of course, is the Phantom Gaming 2.5 gigabit LAN as well as the included Intel 1 gigabit LAN. What I like about this motherboard is that it comes with a full coverage M.2 heat shield and not one, not two, but 3 PCI steel slots, perfect for your multi-GPU setup. It also comes with the Creative Sound Blaster Cinema 5 audio and of course the ASRock Polychrome RGB. So what can we expect from this motherboard? Well, for this, the Z390 Phantom Gaming 7, I'm expecting it to perform just like all the other Z390 motherboards that we've tested in the past. One of the main features I talked about was the 2.5 gigabit LAN, but I'll be more interested to see how it performs in terms of overclocking as well as the overall general benchmarks. So without further ado, let's do a quick unboxing, build a test rig and see how it performs, and we'll see you later. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing. It's quite a big box for what it is. It's the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 7. Let's look at this. Okay. Alright. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so we have the motherboard itself. Let's see what's inside here. A bunch of accessories. We have manual, there's a quick installation guide, there's the software setup, postcard, as well as the driver disc. We have the SLI bridge, two-way. There's a pair of SATA cables, 1 pack, 2 pack. And we have a bunch of M.2 screws, and that is it. So no Wi-Fi on this motherboard. Let's take a look at the motherboard itself. Alright, we have the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 7, and we'll start off with the slots here. We have 1, 2, 3 PCIe slots, steel slots, and we have a nice big heat shield here which covers the whole thing, including the chipset. There's two, that's a full length M.2 coverage heatsink, and this was a part of the whole chipset. So you have two M.2 connectors underneath here that you need to take this off. There's the M.2 Wi-Fi module connector right there. Okay, that's the bottom here. We have HD audio connectors there, headers for your RGB, and over here we have the diagnostic LED. Okay, and then here we have the 8 SATA ports for your storage. We have your USB 3 connectors right here on full-size ATX power. Notice the reset and on-off buttons right here. I like these, they're really nice. And then we have, of course, the DDR4 slots. We have 4 of them, supporting DDR4 memory up to 4300 OC. There's your socket for your processors. It's the Intel 8th or 9th generation LG A1151. Alright, so let's have a look at the I/O. Notice you have a nice hood, which is quite different from the other ASRock ones that we've seen. Okay, so we have PS2 keyboard and mouse. Yes, ASRock still use those. USB 3, display port, HDMI, and the red port is the 2.5 gigabit LAN, and the black port is your Intel gigabit LAN. More USB 3, USB 3.2, yes, and then you have the C-type connector right there. There's the slots for your Wi-Fi, so if you have an antenna module, you can add that there. And then your array of audio connectors, HD audio. Alright, so it's a very nice motherboard. Looks very similar to the Phantom Gaming 9 that we reviewed last month, and supports, of course, the NVIDIA SLI as well as the AMD Crossfire. And I do like the power on and reset buttons right here, and your diagnostic LED there. Alright, so this is the quick unboxing and overview of the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 7. Let's put this in this test rig and see how it performs in our benchmarks. The ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 7 is one of those motherboards that offer near enthusiast grade performance with tons of features at mainstream prices. And this really confuses me. Do I get the Phantom Gaming 7 or the Phantom Gaming 9, which costs $20 to $25 more? Well, the answer to that question is quite simple. Get the Z390 Phantom Gaming 7, of course. If you want a decent Z390 motherboard that offers great performance and tons of features, with the exception of AC Wi-Fi, and you want to stay under $200, then look no further. As far as performance is concerned, it performed really well in all of our benchmarks. In PC Mark 10, it produced a score of 5,735, and for Time Spy, we got a score of 6,524, which is what I expected. For overclocking, we managed to overclock the Core i7 8700K to an amicable 5 GHz. A very nice overclock indeed, but I think with the right cooling, I could take it even higher. The ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 7 comes at a price tag of under $200, which makes it extremely attractive, especially when it offers high-end enthusiast features at mainstream prices. Overall, the Z390 Phantom Gaming 7 is a very capable motherboard that comes packed with some great enthusiast grade features. It overclocks well, performs well, and comes with a flexible integrated I/O shield. You get all of this for under $200. What more do you want? And there you have it. This is the ASRock Z390 Phantom Gaming 7 motherboard, featuring an integrated I/O shield and also the 2.5 gigabit LAN. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.